Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I think you are well. Okay, today I will take chapter 7 topic 2. So what is our topic today? Look at the book first. This is topic 2. Our topic name is professional occupations. Students, first you have to read properly the whole book. At least you have to read properly 2 times or 3 times. After that, I will explain you. Look, what is this? This is I will make the flowchart. Chapter 7, topic 2. What is our topic? Professional occupations. What is our topic today? Professional occupations. Remember the last class we discussed what? What was our topic? Our topic was manual occupation, and this week we'll talk about or we'll discuss about what? The professional occupations. First off, do you know what is the professional occupations? Or do you remember the occupations, the manual occupations which physically work done by human? And this is the professional occupations. First will know about the what is professional occupations. Look, the term professional occupation refers to anyone who earns their living from performing an activity that requires a certain types of education, skill or training. This is called the professional occupations. What is called professional occupations? Again, I'm telling you again, the professional occupations. Look, can you see the paper? The professional occupations. The term professional occupations refers to anyone who earns their living. That means who earn their money from performing an activity that requires a certain types of education, skills or training. This is called professional occupations. There is a lots of different types of professional occupations like teacher, doctor, engineer, office worker, businessman, salesman. This is all type of professional occupations. Now we will discuss about some professional occupations. Look, the first one is here. The what is this? The office worker. This is the office worker. Now we will talk about the office worker. What is the office worker or who works in office? An employee who works in office, specially engaged in administrative works. This is called office worker. Again, what is office worker or what is called office worker? An employee who works in office, specially uh, engaged in administrative work. This is called office worker. Example, office manager, account manager, office assistant, administrative assistant. Okay, in our school, do you know who works in the office? Our admin. They work in office, and what will they do? They do the administrative job. This is called the office worker. And now, what is their responsibility? What is their responsibility? That means what is their duty? Okay, their duty, look, what is their duty? Can you see? Their responsibility. This is their responsibility. They provide information for others. They help to make things happen for others. Like our admin, what will they do? They give the information to your parents or to others, and they help to make things happen for others. This is the duty of the office worker. Now we'll talk about the second one. Look, what is the second one is business and sales management. What is this? Business and sales management. What is business and sales management? Business is an often concerned with buying and selling goods. This is called business and sales management. What is called business and sales management? Business and sale business is often concerned with buying and selling goods. This is called business and sales management. For example, there will be lots of business worker. uh, they have a food we have if we see the outside we can see the food business, we can see the garments business, we can see the lots of factory. This is called the example of the business and sales management. And now what is their responsibility? The responsibility of the business man and sales management. Locally, business workers selling is done through markets and shops. And on a bigger scale, business people import their goods from abroad and export goods to foreign countries. And what will they do? Others? Distribution and dealers relations. And also what will they do? They do the sales planning. What is this? The sales planning, the last one. This is the duty of the business worker or business and sales management, their duty. Now we will talk about or we will discuss about the professionals. What is called professionals or what is the professionals? It is a type of job that requires advanced education or training. What is called the professionals? This is a kind of job that requires advanced training and education or skills. This is called the professionals. For example, teacher. For teacher I need the higher education. And also doctor. Doctor need what type of training? Special training. If they study like the regular education or study, they cannot make a doctor. But doctor needs for doctor they need special training or special education, advanced education. Like also the engineer. The engineer also needs the special education. Now responsibility. What is their responsibility? What is their responsibility? Look, teachers teach students. What will the teacher do? You already know. Yes, I'm your teacher, so what will I do with you? I will teach you. Yes, this is my job or my duty. And what will the doctor do? Doctor provide health service. What will the engineer do? Engineer designs the buildings, roads and bridges. This is the duty of professionals who needs the special training or advanced education or advanced skill. This is called the professions. Again, I will discuss or summarize the whole topic. The professionals. What is our topic? Professional occupations. What is called professional occupations? The term professional occupation refers to anyone who earns their living from performing an activity that requires a certain types of education, skills or training. This is called professional occupations. We have a lots of different types of professional occupations like doctor, engineer, teacher, office worker, business and sales management, etc. Now we are here discuss about only three about here the professionals occupations. The first one is the office worker. Okay, what is called office workers? Who works in office and specially engaged in administrative work. This is called the office worker. The example like office manager, account manager, office assistant and administrative assistant. Now what is their responsibility? Their responsibility is to provide the information to others or to provide information to others. This is the responsibilities of the office worker. Now the business and sales management. What is called business and sales management? Business is often concerned with buying and selling goods. This is called business management. Business and sales management. They are buying and selling. This is their duty, their responsibilities. And for example, we can see the outside the food business, the garments business, the cloth business, the uh, real estate business, etc. What is their duty? Locally business, what will they do or what is their responsibility? Locally business worker selling is done through markets and shops. On a bigger scale, business people import goods from abroad and export goods to foreign countries. Besides, what will they do? The sales management, what will they do? They do the sales planning. This is their duty. Now the professionals. The professionals. What is the professionals or what is called professionals? The professionals means who needs special or the advanced education or skills or special trainings or advanced training. This is called the professionals. For example, teacher, doctor, engineer, pharmacist, etc. Their responsibilities. What is their responsibilities? What is their responsibilities? The teachers like me, what will I do? I teach you, yes. So the teacher's duty is to teach the students. And like that, the doctor, what is their duty? They provide the health service. And the engineer, what will they do? They make design. But the building, the bridges, the roads, etc. They will make the design. This is their duties. Now I'm showing you the flashcard and you just tell me one by one what is this. At first, the flashcard, what is this? The professional occupations. What is called professional occupations? Here. The term professional occupation refers to anyone who earns their living from performing an activity that requires a certain types of education, skills or training. This is called the professional occupations. There is a lots of different types of professional occupations like me, like teacher, doctor, police, army, engineer, pilot, etc. Okay, now we'll discuss about the different types of occupations. The first one I will talk about office worker. This is what office worker. What is office worker or what is called office worker? An employee who works in office, specially engaged in administrative work. Like in our school we have admin, they always time busy with their administrative work. For example, account manager, administrative assistant, etc. And now what is their responsibility? Now what is this? The responsibilities, yes. What is their responsibilities? They provide information for others. They help to make things happen for others. This is their responsibilities. Now, now look, what is this? Business and sales management. What is called, tell me, what is called business and sales management? Okay, here. Business is often concerned with buying and selling goods. This is called business and sales management. Okay, for example, we can see what the real life example. Okay, someone's father are a businessman. What is their business? Like food business or department store business or garments industry, garments business, etc. Now what is their now responsibilities? What is their responsibilities here? Locally business worker, selling is done through market and shops. This is happen through the locally. If we go to the outside, we can see what we can see. If we go to the shop, what we can see, that someone is selling is done through markets and shops on a bigger scale. It's a big scale. Business people import goods from abroad and export goods to foreign countries. This is a big business like the our garment industry. What will they do? They import some goods from abroad, and what will they do? They export the clothes to wear to the foreign countries. Now, distribution and dealer relations. And what are the last one? The sales planning. What will they do? The sales planning. This is the responsibility of business worker. Now the last one. Who can say the last one? Yeah, the last one is the professions. Tell me, what is called professions? Can you tell me the professions, the definition of the professions? Here. A profession is a type of job that requires advanced education or training. For example, teacher, doctor, engineer, pharmacist, etc. This is called the definition of the professions. Now, the responsibilities. Yes, whose responsibilities? Who is left? Is left? Which one is left? The responsibilities of the professions. Here, look. Teachers teach students. Doctors provide health service. Engineers design the buildings, roads, and bridges. And what will do? What will the pharmacist do? The pharmacist will making the what? The medicine. During this time, who will making the medicine? Or who will planning everything during the coronavirus? The pharmacist. Yes, they are making or thinking the new idea to make the medicine. This is the duties or the responsibilities of the professions. After finishing this, I will give you the lecture sheet. You just read very carefully the lecture sheet, and I will give the exercise. You just do your exercise. If any problem, then just inform me. So today is my class is over, finished. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you and take care all of the students. Allah Hafiz.